Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over a few different tips when it comes to affiliate marketing. So if you're somebody who's brand new to affiliate marketing, or if you're just having trouble generating leads or making sales, then this video is going to help you out. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let me just get right into it. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing or you're just having trouble making sales, what I would recommend is just to pick a niche that you're passionate about. Now, maybe you might have heard about this before, or maybe you just haven't, but it's important to pick a niche that you're really passionate about. Don't just pick a niche because you think it's going to make you the most money. That's why a lot of newbies quit affiliate marketing after a couple of months, because they just go with a niche that they think is going to make them the most money. They're not really too passionate about it. They create some content, maybe a couple of videos on YouTube, maybe a couple of social media postings. And then when they don't see the results that they're expecting, then they just say, oh, affiliate marketing, it doesn't work. It's a scam. It's oversaturated. Now, the people who tend to do this, they tend to spam their affiliate link all over the internet without adding any type of value. And I'm guilty of doing this myself when I first got started with affiliate marketing. I would just put, hey, buy this product, and then just have the link directly below it. And I was expecting people to actually buy that product. But the thing about it is, nobody on the internet is going to click on a link, especially from somebody that they don't know or they don't trust, and buy a product that they're recommending to them. Even if you're not creating free content and you're just running paid advertisements, you have to be patient and just learn from trial and error. Because when you're brand new in this business and you're expecting to put down $500 in paid advertisements and expect to get back $1,000, I mean, that's a little bit unrealistic. Because with this business, you're not going to get it right away. Yeah, sure, the concept is simple to understand, basically promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link. But there's a lot more mechanics to it than that. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, I'm going to just give you an FYI. You are going to make mistakes and you are going to fail. But it's up to you on what you decide to do after you fail. Are you going to just dust yourself off and keep on going and take your losses as a lesson? Or are you just going to say, you know what, affiliate marketing doesn't work. I'm going to try something else. Now, going back to my first point, picking a niche that you're passionate about, the reason why I say this is because, like I mentioned, you are going to make mistakes. And if you're not passionate about the niche that you're in, then more than likely you're going to give up after a few months. Even if the niche that you're in isn't one of the top 3 evergreen niches. And just to let you guys know, the top 3 are the health and wellness niche, the dating and relationship niche, and the make money online niche. Those are what's called evergreen niches because those are always going to be in demand. But even if those 3 aren't what you're passionate about, there's plenty of other niches out there that are profitable. You just have to find out what you're passionate about and figure out a way to monetize it. Just think about something that you really enjoy and what's something that you have a genuine interest in. You might be somebody who likes the latest technology that comes out, like the newest smartphones, the newest laptops, and you can use that passion to promote as a niche. Or you might be somebody who's passionate about music. You could promote musical instruments. So the next tip that I have for you is to add value. So this kind of goes back to my first point. Don't just spam your affiliate link all over the internet and expect people to purchase the product that you're promoting. So adding value, it all depends on what niche that you're in. So basically this comes down to understanding your target audience. What's something that they're dealing with and they're struggling with. Just providing a solution or maybe sharing a few tips that's going to help them overcome that obstacle is going to be considered as adding value. So for example, if you're creating a YouTube video where you're reviewing a specific product, give an honest review about that product. Talk about the pros and cons about that product. Maybe talk about who that product would be best suited for and who should avoid that product. Don't just say, oh, this is the best product in the world. Here's my affiliate link. Go buy it. Because number one, I mean, that's not really too ethical. And number 2, people are just going to see that as a money grab. People are going to notice that you're just trying to promote and talk up that product just so you can earn a commission. So when you're giving an honest review and honest feedback about a certain product, people are going to start to trust you more. And they're going to be more likely to buy whatever product that you're going to be promoting to them. They're not going to think, oh, this person is just going to say whatever they have to say in order to earn a commission. So the third tip that I have for you guys is to give a call to action. Now this is where a lot of new affiliate marketers mess up because they deliver all this valuable content They go into detail about whatever product it is that they're promoting. They might talk about the benefits and features of that product. They might even talk about who that product is best suited for, and that's basically it. And they don't give a call to action. Now, what a call to action is, it's basically letting people know what you want them to do next. Now, most people who are getting started with affiliate marketing, they're afraid to do this because they might feel like they're too salesy or too pushy and asking for the sale. But if you don't let people know what you want them to do next, they're not going to know what you want them to do next. They're going to say, okay, that was pretty cool. I enjoyed that video. That was a pretty good review. Now I'm going to go about my day. They're going to go and look somewhere else. They're going to watch maybe more reviews about that certain product. And you just lost a potential lead or a potential sale. But giving a call to action is going to be something pretty simple. You can just simply say, hey, if you're interested in getting this product yourself, here's a link in the description of this video where you can buy it. Or if you want to learn more about this product, click here to get started. And it's basically that simple. Now, the last tip that I want to share with you guys is to know who your audience is. So, for example, if you're promoting a weight loss supplement, you should be targeting people who are interested in losing weight. You shouldn't be targeting people who are interested in building muscle because, that's kind of unrelated. People who are looking to build muscle, they're not interested in losing weight. They might be somebody who's skinny and they're trying to just build mass. So a weight loss supplement isn't really going to help them out. People who are looking to build muscle, that's going to be a different audience. Yeah, it's in the same niche. It's going to be in the fitness niche, but it's going to be like a different sub-niche, if that makes sense. Now, when you know who your audience is, you have to know what type of problems that they're dealing with and how your product that you're promoting is going to help them out. So, for example, if you're promoting a product that prevents hair loss, you have to figure out who that product is going to be best suited for. Is it going to be men or is it going to be women? I'm guessing the majority is going to be men, and there's probably going to be a few women too in that category. Now you have to think about what ages are you going to be targeting. Are you going to be targeting people from ages 18 to 25? More than likely, you're not going to be really dealing with that because hair loss is going to be something that's going to be attributed to like when you're getting older. So it might be people who are ages 30 and up. Now the next thing that you have to consider is what type of problems that these people are dealing with as a result of hair loss. They might have low self-esteem, low confidence. They might have some insecurities. They might be antisocial. They might feel old. And you should be addressing those pain points when you're going to be promoting that product. You should be creating content that's going to be starting out by addressing those problems and then lead up with the solution, which is going to be that product that's going to stop hair loss. So just to give you guys an example, feel more confident with a full head of hair. Now that's going to catch the interest of somebody who's dealing with hair loss and they're looking for a solution to that. And that's how you can deliver value to your target audience. Well, that's basically the tips that I wanted to share with you guys if you're having trouble generating leads or making sales with affiliate marketing. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, I hope this video helped you out. And if you guys got some value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. Now, if you're somebody who's looking to get started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Whoops, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.